Okay, so welcome YouTube community. As you all guys know, we are in a hurry to complete the HTML, and basically I will try my level best to introduce you to a lot of new tags today. Okay, so let's get started. Gonna over here create a new document. Okay, so how to create a new document? Control plus Shift plus N. Okay, and also gonna tell you in this tutorial why do not mostly use browser Internet Explorer. Why do we use Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome, and which should be preferred, Firefox or Google Chrome? Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna first of all write as usual HTML. First of all, I would save it using a .html extension. Let's save it over where? Let's save it to desktop. You can save it wherever you want. It's simply that I'm gonna delete it after showing you some tasks. So I'm okay. By the way, when we save using Dreamweaver, at that time we shouldn't actually put .html extension. Dreamweaver would automatically put it. So over here, okay, so it's okay. It's been rendered as .html. Fine. So over here, now I'm gonna say head title would be HTML tags, HTML various tags. Okay, so HTML various tags. Title tag gets closed, head tag gets closed, body tag gets opened. Within it, I'm gonna first of all introduce you to horizontal group. Okay, yeah. So horizontal group is kind of shit like this. HGGROUP, horizontal group. Okay, yeah. Over here, what we specify are various tags like h1. Okay, okay, so over here now I'm gonna close it. Add tag. By the way, this is h horizontal group. H horizontal, h stands for horizontal, and then group. This is it. Okay, so horizontal group is used to group various horizontal tags, which are head tag 2 and so on. So I'm gonna write over here group. And okay, so within it, first of all, you know what does semantics means? Semantic means actually that in a website, in each and every website, there is used to be a design that is heading. First of all, for over here it is YouTube written in the most biggest font, and then there is text which is written slightly in smaller font. So title is always in the biggest font. Okay, so it's kind of semantics, it's fixed. So what we actually do is that within head 1 h1 tag we usually specify title. This is fixed, and each and every guy in his or her website should prefer it like this. Okay, then comes head 2, and within head 2 we kinda describe subtopic. Okay, and then this is gets closed, and then we'll kinda then use paragraph tag, and within paragraph tag describe the tags related to subtopic. Tags related to subtopic. Okay, so this is like this. So this is always fixed. You cannot make title to or say of h2 and subtopic to be of h1. It would look awkward, and you would pretty much won't get job if you do it like this. It's universally supportable way, and you should use it. Okay, so why we use horizontal group? First of all, uh, I'm gonna preview it in the web browser right now, and see, it looks good, isn't it? Now why we use horizontal group? This is basically because without using horizontal group, h1 and h2 are pretty much not indented. See, it's basically are actually not aligned properly. We use horizontal group because it's been made in HTML5, and it's look pretty more nicer. See, okay, just that much. It's pretty much more nicer. It's just like that in a Microsoft window like this. Uh, in Microsoft window, when we write text, then why are the text? Why we justify text? I guess what I meant by justify text. Why do we justify text? Okay, it's not opening. Whatever. Basically because it looks good. So we use horizontal group just for that reason. So wait a bit. Okay, sorry for that. Some background music was coming. That's why I paused it. So let's move forward. Okay, so you already know what div means, but in any case, I'm gonna show you over here. Okay, text in div in division. Okay, yeah. Gonna close it, and I'm gonna use one more span. Okay, I'm gonna say text in span. What's the difference between these two sheets? Gonna tell you now. This sheet. Okay, oh, come on. Yeah, this is it. I'm gonna refresh it over here. Come on. Yeah. Okay, so see, the basically difference is that in div you can use various HTML element like list and so on. By the way, why do we use list? See, list is kind of shit like this. First of all, we need to specify what type of list should it be, unnumbered or ordered list. This OL stands for ordered list. Okay, I'm gonna say list over here, and basically it should be like this now. Since it's small, so we should make it in just in one line, and then one more sheet over here, say text 2 in division. Okay, and that gets closed, and this ordered list gets closed. This is OL stands for order list. I refresh it over here and see ordered. That's what it means of. Moving forward, I'm gonna change it to unnumbered list. See a change in me. By making so much videos, I have kind of become confident and somewhat fluent in English. Whatever. Seems like it's becoming fruitful for me. Unnumbered list. See, unnumbered lists introduce bullets. Okay, we can also display instead of bullets diamonds and so on. Okay, and we can also for ordered list press Ctrl plus Z to undo the action you did earlier. So by pressing Ctrl plus Z, once again background music. Okay, so over here, ordered list by pressing Ctrl plus Z, you can go back to where you were when you had written order list. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh this shit once again. It's once again like this. We can do it like this: order list start equals to say 17, 14. Okay, 13. So let it be 13. See, it gets started from 13. Okay, so this is it, order list. What if I copy this shit, which is over here, order list, and paste it within span like this? Gonna save it and gonna over here refresh it and see it didn't come over here. Text in span, I copied it within span tag. As you can see, it's within span tag. This is opening and this is closing span tag, and it's within it, but even so it doesn't come. Basically, span is an inline element which only can display text. Okay, so that's the major difference between these two shades. Let's move forward now. See, if you are writing definition, and if you are defining some shades, okay, if you are defining some shades, how would you define? You would simply say definition term over here, isn't it? And then you'll simply from over here say definition description. But basically what actually happens is that now you need to introduce, make it make right over here pre tag, since you want space over here, isn't it? Yeah, so and you need to close it over here, isn't it? And you need to change its font to be somewhat bold, so it's to be somewhat italic, or you can, instead of doing all this shit, use predefined tags, which is description list. Okay, I'm gonna say description list over here. Now I'm gonna say description term dt. Okay, and over here I'm gonna say HTML. What is HTML? Okay, gonna close it over here, description term. Then I'm gonna say description definition description. Okay, this is definition list, this is definition term, this is definition description. Okay, so I'm gonna say HTML is an hypertext markup language universally, oh come on, universally supported by all browser. Okay, like this. So it's like that, and I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna introduce. Now suppose you wanna describe what is browser. Okay, so over here I'm gonna close it. What is browser? Can describe it on your own words. Okay, so I'm gonna say now this definition description. Browser is a client which request certain things from server. These certain things are a command are are specified by the user operating the browser. Okay, so that's it. Certain things should be closed over here, isn't it? Fine, so that's it. I'm gonna close over here this shit over here, and then I'm gonna close now definition list. So this is it. See, uh, needs to close body and needs to close HTML tag. Refresh it and see, it looks good, isn't it? And it's universal. Each and every professional in this world use this syntax to describe definition. So I want you all guys also to use this shit. Thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna teach you more in the next videos. Please subscribe, comment and rate. Thanks.